the three states that the divine masculine moves through. Now, I want you to know that within these states, there are many layers that they shift through. But the first state that happens, and this happens at soul recognition, is the denial. Once the soul recognizes itself, divine masculine goes instantly into denial. This is because the energy, because remember, you as the divine feminine, you are the positive charge. Your charge is really intense because you hold the dominant frequency of the one shared soul. So in that first separation, they will deny the connection. It is only through the reunions and through the magnetic pull that pulls both twins back together do they realize that they are now acknowledging that there is something more, and that they can try and move away from the divine feminine, but they are haunted by their energy, by their frequency, and by their image. Now, when I say their image, they will be shown people that look like them, that walk like them, that talk like them, that use the same language. This is because the universe and that magnetic pull that is always connecting the one shared soul is pulling them back together. And so the denial stage is when divine feminine is in that crazy obsessive energy. So I want you to know that wherever you are in that really intense obsessive energy, obsessing 24/7, and in that dark night of the soul energy, which is the purification frequency, they will deny it. But this is part of the process, because in them denying it, you have to bring the focus back to self. The next stage that they move into is the acknowledgement. Acknowledging that there is something more. Acknowledging that, yes, this isn't going away and they can't just walk away. Now, they may acknowledge, but they will not verbalize everything that they are feeling. And so you will still feel this running energy. You will still feel this separation. Remember, you are one energetic system, and really the truth of the journey is that you as a divine feminine, you hold that positive charge. You, the divine masculine, is simply responding to your energy and frequency. So as you are acknowledging, you are now acknowledging as a divine feminine that this journey is way beyond just divine masculine. And divine masculine acknowledges that this is not something they can just easily move away from, and that there is this pull pulling them back in. As much as they try and run, they are pulled back in to the divine feminine. At this point, so they've gone through that denial, they've gone through the acknowledgement, now they are accepting. They are accepting that this is way more, and that their divine feminine is everything that they seek, everything that they want. And at this point, they start to accept, just like, though, the divine feminine. Remember that you have two bodies, you have two minds and egos, but at a soul level, and the soul lessons that you are transitioning through and that you are moving and shifting into a higher frequency, those lessons are hold exactly the same energy and frequency. It's just how you move through it is different for both the divine masculine and the divine feminine. But remember, as the feminine, you have to detox from the distortion energy. You have to surrender, and you have to then learn how to balance. When they are accepting the energy, you are learning how to balance the energy. So as you can see, the denial energy was when you were in that obsessive energy, when you weren't bothered about looking at self and coming in to self-realization and actually transcending the ego mind. The acknowledgement is when you start to fully surrender into the journey and know that this journey is way bigger than just obsessing over the divine masculine. The acceptance is when you learn how to balance and integrate and transcend the ego mind and come into that higher state of consciousness. This is when you start to move into that inner union. And remember, when you start to shift into that inner union frequency, divine feminine, your light, your illumination starts to change. So your frequency becomes highly magnetic, not just for the divine masculine, but for everything in an abundant frequency. So at that level, you are now illuminated, but you are illuminated so you start to magnetize different people, your soul purpose, your soul mission, your life. The life starts to change and you become this magnetic frequency where everything is drawn in. This journey is a deep journey of deep transformation, and it's about really coming into your wholeness and fullness. What I will say, divine feminine, you can't cheat the journey. You cannot spiritually bypass the journey. Each stage is a stage of you not judging, accepting where you are on the journey, and knowing that any expectations of focus on the divine masculine will simply push them away. The journey is about you coming into that inner union, that Sophia Christ conscious frequency, and in that frequency you become that illuminated frequency which magnetizes divine masculine back in. If you're struggling with your journey in endless looping, in separation, trying to figure out how to move through the journey, then my Twin Flame course is there. It's there to shift your journey, to bring you into wholeness, bring you into fullness, and really start to change so the journey becomes a magical journey of you coming in to that full union frequency. And in that union frequency, and remember, union is not a place you get to. Union is a frequency that you hold as a divine feminine. And that union frequency is what magnetically pulls divine masculine back in. Not through anything of mind and ego, but through a full soul embodiment. I send you much love from my heart to your heart. My website is the 3Ws catsacredsoul.com. I send you much love. Have a blessed evening.